Hello and welcome to another video update about Solana. Here on the daily chart, we can still see, or we can still track a potential upside reversal from this region, but it is too early to confirm it. And actually, today's selling pressure makes it very unlikely that support holds. But we can take a look at the smaller time frame in a minute. I'm only talking about the microstructure. Overall, bigger picture, no change at all. Yeah. No change at all. We still have a potentially completed 5-wave move up from the 2022 low. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, Wave 5. That's a 5-wave move. And then from here, we can go down in a larger correction in a Wave 2 if it even extends further. So that's something we talked about in previous updates. I will upload today as well a very detailed video about the larger time frame, also comparing Solana with Bitcoin to our MCO Global channel. You can find that channel linked in the description. I'll also pin it to the comment section. So if you're interested in that video, make sure you follow us on our main channel, MCO Global. It should come out later today, yeah. So looking at the daily then zoomed in, you can see that we can identify a proper 5-wave move down from the January high. Well, that could simply be wave C of 4. And a 5th wave to the upside is still outstanding in the yellow scenario. Doesn't have to happen because, as I explained, we already have 5 waves up in the white scenario. We don't need that additional high in the yellow scenario, even though it seems still likely we get it. But that is what will be decided down here and also in the next rally. Because if that next rally is just a 3-wave move, I would just consider it a B wave. Okay, so it's really important that we watch closely the structure of the next rally. What I can tell you is that the rally from the Monday low, Monday the 10th of March, is it? Yeah, from down here, where the price bottomed locally around 100. What is that? 100. I think it was a bit above 110, yeah, $112, that this rally is so far only a 3-wave move up. So I'm not convinced that we really have a major low formed, but I'm still watching for reversal. We have a support zone that we're tracking on the smaller time frame. And if this support zone holds, which I'm going to show you in a minute, then the market should move towards the $181 region over the coming weeks. If another low forms, the market would have to reattempt then a recovery to the upside. But that would not be a problem for the overall larger time frame count, bigger picture assumption. That wouldn't change at all. And the area around $110 to $102 is still the next Fibonacci support zone to watch. Yeah, 110 structural support, 102 is next Fibonacci support. So looking at the smaller time frame then, no, that's Bitcoin. That's going to come out later today. No, need to open the shorter time frame chart for Solana. Here you can see that we are now in this support zone we talked about in yesterday's video for a B-wave pullback. The correction could still be unfolding. What we have here is so far only a 3-wave move up. So it could be a crystal clear ABC structure in the white scenario, A, B, C, which could then lead to another low. Yeah, which could then lead to another low. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe another low in the $110 region. I don't want to label it in too much detail because it still looks a little more, in my opinion, like the yellow scenario, but that can easily shift. Once we get a break below the support zone and also get a break below that upper red line at $122, it's confirmed that we're going to go to 110 to 102. I mean, confirmation is not certainty. That's something important to understand as well. Now, I am still tracking here this as a potential corrective pullback. At least I'm watching for it, but that doesn't mean I'm bullish yet because I want to see an impulsive reversal. That's what I'm watching for, okay? I'm specifically watching this support zone for an impulsive reversal. Support is between $130.92, so we've entered that support zone already, $130.92 and $124.36. So from here, we want to see a reversal. Needs a break above $135 for a first indication a low is formed, but actually I need to adjust it slightly. It's now $134.50. That resistance area will be adjusted throughout the day. If you have access to our live charts or if you're a gold member, then you get updated about that, of course, when I adjust something on the chart. And the $134.50 level is key resistance now, but it will be adjusted together with the price as it still goes a bit lower. At the moment, it does look like this is only the internal third wave of wave C. Another 4-5 pattern would be ideal, I think. So a bounce in wave 4 and a move down in wave 5 of C, of B. But, you know, an impulsive reversal isn't necessarily expected. I want to see a first micro 5-wave move up above resistance to indicate that we've started wave C to the upside in a larger third wave. Yeah, so I don't trust that yellow count, okay, because we don't have 5 waves up yet. We only have a 3-wave move up, a diagonal pattern, sharp pullback. So not convinced that this is really the yellow scenario, but obviously the parameters will guide us. The market, let the market tell us. We have all the parameters here on the chart to understand the language of the market. Yeah. So that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.